Lately, I feel like I've been in such a slump since the new year. I've been feeling unmotivated, unproductive, and uninspired. And the longer my slump continues on, the more and more anxious and worried I am, wondering if all the hard work I did in the past meant nothing. But those are just thoughts, and if I can create my own thoughts, then I can change them too. So today, let's break this cycle and get back on track.
Coffee all over my favorite shirt. Why do my New Year's resolutions never reach their full evolutions? Faced with the day, it all fades away in January.
Also, put on some of your favorite songs. Firstly, I want to talk about the power of a vision board. According to neuroscientist Dr. Tara Swart, looking at images on a vision board primes the brain to grasp opportunities that may otherwise gone unnoticed. That's because the brain has a process called value tagging, which imprints important things onto your subconscious and filters out unnecessary information. The brain assigns a higher value to these images than written words on a to-do list, and the more you look at those images, the more those images move up in importance. Whether it's a physical board or a digital one, creating a visual representation of your goals can be incredibly motivating. It's a constant reminder of the future, so take some time to sit down and think about your goals, both short-term and long-term, and create a vision board that represents them. It can be a collage of pictures, quotes, or even videos that you've taken from the internet. The key is to make it as personalized as possible and something that truly resonates with you. This way, every time you look at it, you'll feel motivated and energized to work towards your goals. For me personally, I used Canva for my vision board, and I took pictures from Pinterest.
You so happy, I'll listen, pay.
Okay, next thing we're going to do is clean our entire space, because a decluttered space means a decluttered mind. I already started yesterday, just why everything's out of the cabinets, but let's begin with the kitchen.
Good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you mean to me.
Now let's talk about organization and cleaning. One study found that women who reported more clutter in their homes had higher levels of the stress hormone cortisol throughout the day compared to women who had less clutter. When your physical space is cluttered and messy, it can be hard to focus and feel motivated. It's hard to think clearly and make important decisions when you're surrounded by disorganization. So take some time to declutter and organize your space. This could be your room, your office, your kitchen, or even your digital spaces like your phone or laptop. Make a list of the things that you want to get rid of, things that you want to keep, and things that you want to organize. And when you're done with that, make time in your day for a good cleaning. Okay, time to clean out the fridge. Not only will it make your space look better, but it will also make you feel better, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel once you're surrounded by a clean and organized environment. It could even be a small task like making your bed, or a bigger task like cleaning out your closet. But whatever it is, make sure to tackle it with determination. Alright, the bedroom is looking a bit rough right now, but I'm going to clean it up and also organize my clothes. I moved here in the summer, so there isn't that much that I don't wear because I already did all of this clean out when I first moved in here, but let's see. Right, the room is all clean and organized. I woke up today and my eyes are extremely puffy and I almost didn't want to film today. But we're not going to let some puffy eyes ruin my plan for the day. If you guys are wondering why I might look a little bit different, because my eyes are really puffy.
And I've been screwing up cause my head's heavy. But who's to say I should be ready? Cause I can be emotional.
So I'm gonna cleanse my skin now. Okay, let's move on to the rest of my morning routine. Usually, the outcome of your life isn't determined by one or two decisions, but the trajectory of our lives is what we do repeatedly. When we're feeling lost or off track, it can be easy to fall into a pattern of procrastination or get caught up in the chaos of life and lose track of time. Having a daily routine for me can help bring structure and order to our lives. It allows us to prioritize our tasks and responsibilities and ensure that we make time for things that truly matter to us.
They say it takes time being slow and steady.
Alright, time for some coffee. A routine can help us be more productive and efficient and allow us to focus on one task at a time rather than constantly switching between tasks or worrying about the next task while doing the current one. Additionally, having a daily routine can also be beneficial for our mental and physical health because it can reduce stress and anxiety and give us a sense of control over our lives. It allows us to make time for self-care activities such as exercise or journaling and help us improve our overall well-being. Breakfast time. It's also important to note that a daily routine doesn't have to be rigid or inflexible, and it's okay to have some flexibility within our routines and adjust it as the day goes on. But the key is to have a general framework that guides you throughout the day, but also allows you to be adaptable to unexpected events.
There are things in my past I don't wanna know.
Remember that it's never too late to get back on track. Whether you feel like you've been stuck for a week, a month, or a year, life can be unpredictable, but I want you to know that you have the strength and the ability to overcome any obstacle and come out even stronger. Take it one step at a time and don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay to make mistakes and stumble along the way. It's all part of the journey. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't compare yourself to others or let others define your worth. You're capable of achieving great things, and you deserve to be happy and fulfilled. Remember that progress isn't linear, but that doesn't mean that you're not moving forward. Keep moving forward, keep pushing, and don't give up. You're strong, you're capable, and you are worthy. So I'm going to be cooking my rice beef thing again.
Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. There are places I go when I need somewhere quiet. There are days when nothing, no one else understands. I know you see all my feelings, even when I try my best to conceal things. Baby, I love you to the end of time, yeah. But if we ever make it to those days, I pray to God I don't forget your face. Cause if I can't remember you, don't know what I would do. You are one thing that I can't afford to lose. So even if you're gonna be my only memory, then baby that's fine with me. Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember.
And in the end, every day will get a little bit better. We'll feel a bit unstuck, and sometimes it's the small victories, the little moments of improvement that make all the difference.
I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you mine. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. I could sit and listen to you talk, ignore the time and throw away the clock. I'd love to hear each thought upon your mind. I'd love to hang on close to every word that I could find. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. You like to run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change my routine if you'll hold my hand. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you.
Okay, off we go.
Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make
Hey guys,
me feel like
I just wanted to say thank you so much for being patient with me. I know that I haven't posted in a while, but I'm just so glad you guys are here, and I'm so grateful and so thankful for every single one of you watching my videos. And leave a comment down below. I read every single one of my comments, and I hope to see you guys next video. Bye.